Remember a few years back when you famously declared that there wasn't a market ready to embrace pure electric vehicles? Well, Toyota is about to change the game with their groundbreaking water engine technology, which could leave the electric vehicle, EV, market in the dust. This innovative engine, reminiscent of an HHO generator, is specifically designed for cars and runs on water. How does it work? The magic lies in electrolysis. By applying high voltage to electrodes submerged in a water tank, the engine splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. The liberated hydrogen then becomes the engine's fuel, creating a whole new paradigm for vehicle power. Why is Toyota's new water engine so crucial? The infrastructure needed for hydrogen-powered systems is quite similar to that of electricity generation. This makes it a viable global solution for alternative fuel vehicles. Plus, with the Earth's vast water resources, hydrogen can be extracted affordably and efficiently, making it an attractive energy source. The benefits are immense. Hydrogen fuel cells could significantly enhance energy resources and boost economic factors worldwide. In essence, Toyota's water engine uses hydrogen stored in water as a fuel source, offering a sustainable, clean alternative to traditional engines and current battery technology. This development could revolutionize the EV industry by overcoming battery limitations and presenting a new, eco-friendly way to power vehicles. The future of automotive engineering might just be here, and it's powered by water. First, the engine operates a generator that spins on a combination of water and metallic hydroxide to generate the electrical power essential for separating hydrogen from oxygen. The hydrogen is then stored and cooled to a low temperature, where it becomes a liquid, which is then fed into the engine's intake system and burned. Though it is called a hybrid system, this engine is a step towards a fully fuel-powered hydrogen combustion engine, and there are hopes that the efficiency of fuel separation and hydrogen combustion from this development will allow for direct application to a fuel cell system. It is no secret that Toyota is one of the largest car manufacturers in the world and that its vehicles operate on gasoline engines. However, the invention of the first gasoline-electric hybrid engine has shifted Toyota's focus to alternative energy sources and has created new concepts for future vehicles. The hybrid engine was initially seen as only a stepping stone in the development of alternative fuel vehicles, but its success and the limited efficiency of fuel cell technology have led to further research and development in this area. This has culminated in the new development of a hybrid water engine. Toyota has clearly tried to come up with better solutions, and they have not given up. We have seen quite a number of cars, most of which are pretty amazing. However, there is just something about the new water engine, and one thing we know for a fact is that it will destroy the entire EV industry. But how will it achieve that? Keep watching to find out. So, the overview of the new technology is that it utilizes water as a fuel source. The water is converted to electrical energy, which is then used to power the car by using an energy storage system such as a battery. Currently, Toyota has made a prototype of this engine installed in a test vehicle, which is a hybrid engine of water and petrol. The engine is said to be twice as fuel efficient as a normal internal combustion engine, and the exhaust emission standards are below the set standards for Japan. To put that into perspective, in 2005, the Prius, a hybrid vehicle with an electric motor, emitted 31% less CO2 than the standard vehicle. If Toyota can commercialize this new technology, there will be very little reason not to convert to water fuel cell technology. The cost efficiency of fuel is much greater, surpassing that of any hybrid or standard internal combustion engine, since the energy created from water is greater and the cost of water is significantly cheaper than petrol. This will then make cars such as the Prius already redundant in technology and speed up the production of pure electric vehicles. This will also then lead to the consumer, since using a water fuel cell engine instead of an internal combustion engine will effectively lower the cost of electric vehicles. The environmental and cost benefits of this engine are profound and could potentially change the course of the automotive industry. Many economists believe that the EV industry is the key to stabilizing the world's economy. In accordance with an International Energy Agency projection, 20 million jobs would be generated via investments in a clean energy economy. These green tech jobs would be created in various fields, including research and development, manufacturing, installation and maintenance, and the energy sector. The new water car already seems promising. However, a number of people believe that it won't be really viable. But that is not really the case. Why do we say that? Keep watching to find out. Both the water car and the electric car are plagued by issues relating to sourcing the energy or carrier, to the point of being a commercially viable alternative to fossil fuels for the internal combustion engine. The electric car has received widespread support and development of more efficient methods and infrastructure for battery recharging in recent years, as a result of concerns relating to pollution and its impact on health and the environment. Considering the present condition of the global environment, we must make a valiant effort to solve this devastating issue and work towards protecting the Earth. There is a rising momentum in the preservation of the environment, and considering future generations is at the forefront of many government policies. This movement has had a large influence on the automotive industry. One of the solutions for cleaner vehicles is to develop alternative energy vehicles. One such vehicle is Toyota's new water engine vehicle. This car uses hydrogen energy to power the vehicle, which is cleaner than using carbon and oxygen gasoline to make power. This process does not emit any carbon dioxide or carbon oxides into the environment. This H2 technology is the most abundant resource that has the potential to subdue the feared energy crisis. In its pure energy form, hydrogen is not found in nature. It must be extracted from other compounds. Fossil-fueled internal combustion engines are typically considered to be the most toxic of the various engine types, especially when compared with electric vehicles. One source of exhaust emissions is the combustion of fossil fuels, which leads to the release of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, unburnt hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides. The release of carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that is believed to be one of the main causes of global warming. This process may even cause environmental degradation, the gradual destruction of ecosystems, and the depletion of natural resources such as fossil fuels, leading to an energy crisis. It may be concluded that internal combustion engines are toxic to the environment and EVs are clean and safe. However, current battery technology is not efficient, which is why the range of electric vehicles is limited. The current range of electric vehicles is around 300 kilometers before the battery needs recharging, which may take several hours. This makes them inefficient for long-distance travel. It may be noted that although both hydrogen and electric vehicles do not release toxic gases into the environment, electric cars may still have an environmental impact through the use of non-renewable fossil fuels in power stations and through the extraction of rare metals used in the production of batteries. However, in comparison to petrol cars, both hydrogen and electric vehicles are a cleaner and safer alternative. Water is an abundant resource in nature and can be easily extracted and stored. There is no risk of depletion with water, and its conversion to energy is relatively efficient. This makes the water engine vehicle an attractive alternative to electric vehicles, as it is cleaner, safer, and has the potential to bypass the issues of range and battery recharging time. The problem of long recharging times for electric cars has been partially addressed by the development of fast charging stations. These stations are able to recharge an electric car battery within 30 minutes, but they are not widely available. In conclusion, Toyota's new water engine technology has the potential to revolutionize the automotive industry and provide a clean, sustainable alternative to electric vehicles. The use of water as a fuel source, combined with the efficiency of hydrogen extraction and combustion, makes the water engine a viable and attractive alternative to electric vehicles. The environmental and cost benefits of this engine are profound and could potentially change the course of the automotive industry. With the development of the water engine, the limitations of current battery technology, and the issues of range and recharging time faced by electric vehicles may be addressed, providing a clean, sustainable solution for powering vehicles. The potential impact of Toyota's new water engine technology on the EV industry is significant, and its success could lead to a shift in the automotive industry's focus towards cleaner, more sustainable energy sources.